Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable mouse acceleration on your Chromebook. So if for some reason you're noticing your acceleration appears to be off, and perhaps it's acting a little bit funky with your mouse and it's not loading right, it seems to be just acting kind of erratically. Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust that by disabling or enabling the mouse acceleration. So we're going to go and start by opening up the clock, bottom right corner of the taskbar, and then you want to select the setting icon, or you hover over it, says settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the main menu icon at the top left corner right next to settings. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select device. Now underneath device, the first option should say mouse. Go ahead and left click on that. And now the second option down should say enable mouse acceleration. So if it's on, it will be a blue circle inside of a blue oval. If you want to turn it off, just click inside of it one time to turn it off. It should then become a gray oval with a circle overlaying it. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And you don't have to do anything else after that. You don't have to save or click out of anything. I mean, you probably should restart your device just to be on the safe side, but pretty much once you've done that, you should just close out of any open browsers, windows, restart your device, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.